Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. Today we are going to look at cutting boards. In particular, we're going to be looking at the Virginia Boys Kitchens cutting boards and what makes them different from other cutting boards. So guys, you can get a lot of different cutting boards. You can get these plastic cutting boards. You can flip them over, cut them both sides. They're nice, they're washable, but why do you not want these? First of all, you're dealing with plastics. I don't really like plastic too much in my kitchen. I like natural products like this. I like wood, I like glass. But I will also tell you, when it comes to cutting with a knife, when you are cutting on plastic, like this here, it actually dulls your blade. The plastic fibers will dull it. You're going to constantly be sharpening your knives. When you are cutting with a natural wood product like this, it is very porous, and the pores will allow the blade to slide through it without actually dulling the blade quite as often. So that's just a couple of the things that I like right off the top. Now, something else that the Virginia boys do is they will pre-season these for you. So before you get it, it has already been seasoned, but they didn't use just the normal mineral oil, which I don't care for. I like natural things, and that's what they do. They season this with a coconut-based seasoning oil. And speaking of that, they do have the oil so that you can get it and season this and keep it seasoned as you are using it. And they'll recommend seasoning this thing every day that you use it for the first week or two with their oil to make sure that you lock everything in really nicely and you don't have any problems in the future. So first thing I'm going to tell you, looking at it, it's extremely straight. Everything is straight. There's no warpage. There's no anything on this. It's perfect. Looks great. I like the fact that they put the little trough all the way around the side, which will catch things like juices from fruits and things like that. And speaking of that, you not only will use this on, say, meat, fish, you can use it with vegetables, fruits, you can use it with cheeses, anything, bread, anything that you're going to be cutting, you can use with this. Now, not only do you have this side where you can actually do all that and it catches that, which is nice. You can flip this over, and if you've got a charcuterie type situation going on, this will actually make the surface for it where you can put everything on it, and you can have a little get together or party, and it looks nice. It's very classy. And on top of that, they even embroider their name at the very bottom and embroider the fact that it is made in the USA. Another nice feature. So great little board, very lightweight, very cleanable. And speaking of cleanable, you don't want to put this in a dishwasher. You're just going to clean it with a little soap and water, and then be sure you're redressing it periodically, especially once you get past that first week or two of use. And it should last for years and years to come. Now, this particular board, I've got the tape measure out so we can measure, but if I'm looking at my width from here to here, we are looking at 17 inches on this one. And if I'm going to be measuring from this side, I've got 11. So basically it's an 11 by 17 or 17 by 11, however you're wanting to actually call that. So guys, if you were actually comparing this to this, hands down, this is so much nicer, so much better. It's going to look better, function better, and it will probably last you for a very, very long time. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I would give it 5 stars. I'd give it 6 or 7 if I could, because I think it is top of the line great. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it, and we will see you guys on the next review.